You think you're human, but you're not the same human you were 10 years ago. You've been upgraded, not with metal arms or glowing eyes, but with something far more powerful and far more dangerous. You didn't vote for it, you didn't ask for it, but you accepted it. One tap at a time. We're not evolving naturally anymore. We're evolving digitally, silently, invisibly, and collectively. Think about the last time you truly memorized a phone number. Chances are you don't remember numbers anymore. Your phone does that for you, storing countless contacts with ease. Navigation used to be a skill, a sense of direction honed over time. Now, you don't navigate, your GPS does, guiding you turn by turn, often without you even understanding the route. And writing? You don't even write full sentences anymore. Autocorrect and predictive text have taken over, anticipating your thoughts before you even fully form them. We've outsourced thinking to algorithms and AI, complex problem-solving, creative writing, even simple decision-making. We've offloaded it all. Search engines provide instant answers. AI generates content, and algorithms curate our experiences. And now, we're not just using tech as a tool. We're fusing with it, becoming increasingly reliant on it for even the most basic cognitive functions. Our minds are becoming extensions of the digital world, blurring the lines between human intellect and artificial intelligence. This reliance raises a critical question. What happens to our own abilities when we constantly depend on external sources for thinking and decision-making? Remember the days of quiet contemplation? Now, you don't check the time. Instead, you check notifications, a constant stream of digital interruptions vying for your attention. You don't wait in silence, patiently observing the world around you. You scroll endlessly through social media feeds, seeking instant gratification and fleeting entertainment. Your boredom, that space for creativity and introspection, has been replaced by a constant influx of digital stimulation. This constant connectivity has rewired our brains, making it difficult to disconnect and be present in the moment. In this digital age, you crave validation in the form of likes, hearts, and follower counts. These digital metrics have insidiously replaced our innate need for belonging and genuine connection. You fear missing out, not on real-world experiences or potential danger, but on notifications, the constant updates that define your online presence. This fear of missing out drives us to constantly check our phones, perpetuating a cycle of digital dependency and anxiety. The pursuit of online validation can lead to a distorted sense of self-worth, where our value is determined by the number of likes and followers we accumulate. In the digital age, we're constantly evolving, adapting to the ever-changing landscape of technology. But are we evolving towards wisdom, strength, or empathy? Or are we being subtly guided down a different path? A path towards predictability. The algorithms that govern our online experiences thrive on patterns, on knowing what we'll do next. And that's precisely what they want: predictability. They crave the comfort of knowing our preferences, our habits, our desires. This allows them to fine-tune their recommendations, their advertisements, their entire digital ecosystem to keep us engaged, to keep us clicking, to keep us consuming. Every single part of your digital life is meticulously tracked, analyzed, and categorized. What you watch on streaming platforms, the articles you read online, the products you browse on e-commerce sites, how long you hover your mouse over a particular image, the amount of time you spend reading a specific paragraph, when you pause a video to grab a snack, when you rewind to rewatch a scene, and even when you rage-click in frustration, when you furiously tap your screen in disagreement. All of these actions, these seemingly insignificant digital footprints, are carefully recorded and fed into the insatiable algorithms. This digital version of humanity, this online representation of ourselves, is constantly being optimized. But not for the betterment of society, not for the pursuit of truth, not for fostering genuine human connection. Instead, it's being optimized for one primary purpose: profit. Every click, every view, every purchase is a data point that contributes to the bottom line. The algorithms are designed to maximize engagement, to keep us hooked, to drive us towards consumption. And in this relentless pursuit of profit, something essential is being lost. You're not the customer anymore, not in the traditional sense. You're the product, your data, your attention, your online behavior. These are the commodities being bought and sold. Every time you blindly accept cookies on a website, every time you skip reading the terms and conditions, every time you say yes to convenience without considering the consequences, you're surrendering precious bits of your identity, piece by piece. You're handing over control of your digital self, allowing the algorithms to shape your online experience and, ultimately, influence your perception of the world. The relentless march of technological evolution is undeniable. We stand at a crossroads, a pivotal moment where the trajectory of our own evolution hangs in the balance. You can't stop the evolution, this much is certain. But within this unstoppable force lies a profound choice. You can choose how you evolve. Will you be a passive recipient, molded by the algorithms and the endless stream of data? Or will you be an active participant, consciously shaping your own future? Embrace AI, but do so with intention. Use AI as a tool, a powerful instrument to augment your abilities and expand your horizons. Not as a crutch, something to lean on so heavily that your own strength withers away. Don't let it replace your curiosity, that innate drive to explore, to question, to understand the world around you. Don't let it diminish your struggle, the vital process of grappling with challenges, overcoming obstacles, and growing through adversity. Don't let it stifle your reflection, the quiet moments of introspection where you connect with your inner self and make sense of your experiences. Start with small choices. Disable unnecessary notifications, those constant digital intrusions that fragment your attention and steal your focus. Question everything that's auto-filled for you. Resist the temptation to blindly accept the suggestions of algorithms, and instead, engage your own critical thinking. Reclaim boredom, those seemingly empty spaces in your day that are actually fertile ground for creativity and innovation. Reclaim thought, the ability to engage in deep, focused contemplation, to analyze information, and to form your own opinions. Awareness is your greatest upgrade, the key to unlocking your full potential and navigating the complexities of the modern world. Cultivate mindfulness, pay attention to the present moment, and become more conscious of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. You've already been upgraded, whether you realize it or not. The digital age has transformed us all, reshaping our brains and altering our perceptions. The only question now is, by who? Big tech, with its algorithms designed to capture your attention and monetize your data, or your own consciousness, your own ability to make informed choices and shape your own destiny. The power is yours. Choose wisely. Choose. You're not a user, you're the next version of human, but are you the author or the subject? If this made you pause, hit like. If it cracked something open, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. Are we evolving or being engineered?